Very good morning to you, Thomas. It's a really exciting day to be here down at the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and we have a big listing today. Now, Hong Kong becomes the first jurisdiction in Asia to approve crypto ETFs as an investment tool. Talk to us a little bit about the demand that you're expecting to see from this.
Yeah, thank you, Emily, for witnessing the history with us today. So we're very excited to launch our crypto spot ETFs. I think the demand is very, very strong, and we have seen that from the initial offering period. We're exceeding our expectation. And because as you mentioned, we have different share classes. We have both listed and unlisted class. We have both US dollar and Hong Kong dollar. In addition to that, we have RMB offshore counter. And all of those channels are welcoming different parties to participate in our ETFs.
Tell us why, as I mentioned earlier, the mainland does not allow trading in cryptocurrencies, but you're offering in renminbi. What is the reasoning behind this?
I think that shows how strong our professionalism of ChinaAMC. We want to increase all the different channels and create the possibilities for investors.
Now, here in Hong Kong, it is an in-kind creation model, so you can use crypto to buy the ETFs, whereas in the United States, it's cash only, dollars only. Do you think this sets Hong Kong apart? How special is that?
Yes, this is very special, and I think this marks the new milestone of Hong Kong's innovation in financial industry. As Hong Kong is the center of digital assets in the world, we believe a lot of creativity has been going live, and creating the in-kind subscription and redemption is one of the creativity and innovation. I think that also increases the different investor types. Not just the institutional and the retail investors in the normal market trading equities or bond, but this also welcomes the different Bitcoin miners and long-term Bitcoin holders to participate in the ETF market.
Back in 2022, it was CSOP that brought Bitcoin futures ETFs to the Hong Kong market. What do you expect in terms of the development of digital assets in the Hong Kong market?
Yeah, it's a very good question. And we have seen the Hong Kong government is a top-down support for virtual asset development. Since 2022, the futures ETF launched, we have seen the Hong Kong government, including the HKMA and also SFC, launching very different regulatory policies to support the market. For example, the SFC issued the STO circular in November last year to help the traditional market to tokenize the asset on-chain. And last month, we have seen the HKMA launching the 3 sandboxes, including the wholesale CBDC sandbox and the e-Hong Kong dollar pilot 2. And all of those policy support and actions really support everyone who are interested in the blockchain industry and try to create the economy and the ecosystem in Hong Kong.
So it's a big day for crypto spot ETFs here in Hong Kong. We've been in a race. We're not the only one that wants to be a digital hub. Singapore, Dubai. How do we compare to those cities?
Let me give you a tip. Since we are launching the initial offering period last Thursday and Friday, we have many investors in the world, particularly investors from Dubai, Middle East, and Singapore, coming to us, want to subscribe our Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF.
Thomas, thank you so much for joining us today. It's an exciting day, and we'll see you on stage to ring the gong in a little bit.
Thank you, Emily.
We've been speaking with Thomas.